Yeah, so as you can see, buffing the hood did not fix it. The clear coat was just gone on it. So that wasn't something you could fix. It just has to get repainted. What's up, you guys? So we're back with another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. But today we are gonna get the hood painted to the 335. And I also got a little something right there. Sorry for the noise, that's a shop noise. That's the hood getting prepped. You can't see it, but they're over there prepping the hood. And me and my little friend right there, we're gonna prep the lip. I wanted a LCI bumper, but I got mechanical issues that I'm dealing with right now, so I just went ahead and got the lip. And I was thinking of getting the wrap instead of getting it painted. But you know what, with the wheels that I got, you guys are gonna see there's some different wheels from the last video. I think the blue, and I'm gonna tell you right now, they're bronze. The blue and bronze combination goes really good. So stay tuned for how it looks after the hood gets painted and with the lip on. Catch you later. Yeah, I'm gonna go right now. Oh yeah, if you want. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna use is a scuff pad to get it prepped. As you see, I saw glossy. I'm just make sure I leave no shiny surface on it. So I'm gonna get to it. So this is Felix prepping the hood. The hood had a lot of rock chips, so he said he's gonna take care of those for me. So what did you use to sand it down?
80 and 180.
He's nervous. Look at him.
Right. So is this gonna be on the video?
So what did you 80?
80 and 180.
80 and 180.
To get rid of all the oxidation.
Yeah, because it had like you saw a whole bunch of oxidation, and then he used 180. And then what are you gonna do?
Now that the rock chips are gone, it's time for some primer.
Okay, sounds good. So this is the hood all primered up. Hopefully all the rock chips will be gone, and tomorrow we'll be finished getting prepped and hopefully painted. All right, sweetie. We will see you tomorrow. Alright guys, the lip is painted and the hood. Can't wait to get it back on the car. And I forgot to order the emblem, so I'm gonna be riding without an emblem, but yeah, it looks good. Alright, so it is now Sunday, and I'm gonna head back to the shop to put the hood on, the lip on, and these came just on time. These are the emblems, you guys. I don't know if you could see that, but instead of the black, all black and gray, I went with the blue and white, and it looks like, you know, like a carbon fiber type style on them. So these came just in time to put on the deck lid and on the hood. So yeah.
Our dad.
Okay, tell me the story about you guys.
Well,
Getting buff.
Our dad had a family bond with his cousin.
Nice.
And it's kind of
Alright.
decided to do.
Okay, so I'm about to put this hood on, but I'm by myself. So what I'm gonna do, you can see that's a 11mm bolt. And right here on the hood hinges, you're able to slide it on. So I'm gonna just slide it on and tighten it up. All right, so for the lip, They got some holes for some screws, but I put two-way tape on the inside. So hopefully that tucks it in pretty nicely, and I'll put the screws on the bottom.